Good evening, all. Why your friends didn't join? Can you please text them once? Can you text them once? Hello, people. Can you text them once?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, yes. Okay, okay. Got it, got it. Okay, Tanish. Yeah, he has some other class. Yeah, yeah. Disha, Abhinay, why late? Abhinaya, Disha, why late? Why late? Are you here?
Sir, actually my Zoom was updating.
What? I didn't get you. What was
The
it?
Zoom app was updating.
Acha. What about Abhinaya?
Sir, actually have exam tomorrow, sir.
Hmm.
I was preparing for the exam, sir.
Mm-hmm. Fine. Okay. In last class, till what we have discussed. So we were solving questions, right, of cross product. We were solving the questions of cross product, right? So let me give the questions now. If A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross A, then A plus A plus C is equal to what? So option A will be C, option B minus 1, option C 0, option D. Clear? Yes. Solve this question, everyone. Yes. Make it fast. Can you all see the screen and hear my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Good. Fine. Solve this. See, first read the question properly. What he has given. All these three are equal. Fine. And then you have to find out this. Chalo. People done? Hello. Yes, how can we solve this? What is the idea? Tell me, come on. Yes, done, Adesha. Shrikar. Tanish,
Sir, I didn't get the answer.
you didn't get the answer.
No, sir.
Hmm. See, I need to find out this. All right, I don't know that, right? Let's take that as any constant. Let me take this as a k vector. Okay. Let me take that as anything like k. Okay. Let, if you just multiply a vector into the given, a vector into the required quantity, whichever we want. So if you just multiply, so a, what happens here? A cross a. You just multiply this. A, what happens? A cross a plus a cross b plus a cross c. All right. Now just let us write somewhat here. Just a minute. If I just multiply the b, what happens? I just give hint. You must solve this now. C vector cross a vector plus b vector plus c vector. Okay. So now this happens here. What it comes here? B cross b plus b cross c. Here c cross a plus c cross b plus c cross c. Now you might have got a logic here. Hello people. You might have got a logic. Yes. If you solve this now, what would you get? What we get here?
A common value.
Sorry.
A common value.
Hmm.
A bar common value.
Hmm. In the starting lecture, what I told. See, very simple, very simple. Come on. Hmm. People look at this here. This becomes what here? A cross A is equal to what? This of course 0 plus A cross B plus A cross C. So let us solve this first. Let us solve the first column. Now what would you get here? Come on, tell me. We need to find out the value of k, isn't it? We need to find out the value of k. Come on. I wrote almost like 80% of the answer. I wrote almost 80% of the answer, guys. Look at the question what he has given. A cross B is equal to B cross C is equal to C cross C. Now,
We can substitute C cross A there instead of A cross B. Instead of A cross B, we can substitute C cross A there.
hello. Can I write A cross B as it is? C cross C, can I write C? I mean A cross C, can I write minus C cross C?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes,
now what happens? Come on. Now you must decide the answer.
B minus C.
अरे यार देखो, here A cross B as it is बेटा, minus as it is C cross A can be written as A cross B. Can I write?
Yes, yes.
Do you agree with my point?
And
Now A cross B minus A, what it gives? 0.
0.
If you follow all these cases now, simultaneously this all becomes 0.
Yes,
You understood?
yes, yes.
Now what can I do? What is my answer now? Tell me. Decide the answer.
0.
Very good. Any doubts
Both
here?
will add 0.
Any doubts, people?
K. No, sir.
Hmm? If at all my A cross, if at all my K values become 0, then only all these cases, whatever the cases I wrote here, all this becomes true. Clear? If at all my K value is 0, then only all the cases whichever we have written in green color, that becomes 0. That becomes true. Clear? Am I clear to you all?
Sir, any hint can be there that we should now, like you multiplied with A, B, and C with the equation.
That is a hint. This is
So
the hint. This is a look at this here. Basically, whenever you give, whenever they give you this type of case, okay, whenever you give this type of case, what can be done here? So he is saying that A cross B is equal to C cross A and B cross C. Now wherever I have either A cross, wherever I have B cross A, wherever I have B cross A, like this. Now this can be written as what? Minus A cross B. You understand my point?
yes,
Huh.
yes, yes.
So that this and this combined together becomes 0. Combined
Yes,
this
it will.
becomes 0, isn't it? That is the reason. That is a hint. That is a hint. For
Okay.
making that 0, I just wrote like that. Look at here A cross C I have here. I wrote that as C cross A. Why I wrote C cross A? How did I get an idea to write C cross A? Because he has given C cross A is equal to A cross B. If at all I write C cross A as A cross B, now this and this minus this gives me 0, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
No. Yes, that is the reason. That is the reason.
Okay.
Okay. Now you have simply this. I don't have anything to do here. A plus B plus you have. Now, if at all I multiply with A, B, and C, what happens? If I multiply with A cross A I get. If I multiply with B cross B I get. If I multiply with C vector I get C cross C. So all that part becomes 0. All right, all that
Yes.
part becomes 0, and the remaining part, what you left with, you'll be left with these two parts.
A, B,
So from
yes.
these two parts, I can make 0 here from the given condition.
Yes, yes.
All right, that is the logic behind that. That is the logic behind that. Hope it is clear. Adhyaksha ji, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Shall I give one more question? Now,
Yes, sir.
the question whichever we are going to solve now, so very, very, very important question. Many times, they have repeated. Guys, in fact, this is a AIEEE question. AIEEE 2002, which means All India Engineering Entrance Exam, which has become as JEE Mains. All right, which has been renamed as JEE Mains. Okay, chalo, next question. Let me give the question. Hope it is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Good. Next, let A is equal to 4I cap plus 5J cap minus K cap. B is equal to I cap minus this I guys minus 4J cap plus 6K cap, 5K cap in fact, and C is equal to 3I plus J minus K. Find the vector D. Find the vector D which is perpendicular to both C and B and D dot A is equal to 21. Guys, this is a very, very good question. Very, very good question. So everyone have to solve this. Come on. Read the question properly. Try to understand the language of the question properly first. Look at what he has given. A vector given, B vector given, C vector given. Find the vector D which is perpendicular to both this and this. ठीक है? हाँ. So whenever he gives you a perpendicular case, what immediately you get an idea? What idea you get immediately? Tell me. Whenever he gives you perpendicular to both C and D, the perpendicular to some vector.
90 degrees.
हाँ, उसके अलावा, apart from that, we have seen many problems.
Sir, if A is perpendicular to B, then you gave one formula, right?
Yes. That is what I'm asking.
A cross B is equals to magnitude of A dot magnitude of B.
Sorry.
Sir, it was A cross B is equals to magnitude of A dot magnitude of B.
No. Apart from that, what was that? सोचो एक बार. See, haven't we
Midpoint. Midpoint.
Yes. Tell me, Srikar, please.
Sir,
can you-
midpoint will be D will be become midpoint between CB.
No, vector D which is perpendicular to C, which is nothing but, can I write this? This is what we have seen. उसका dot product 0 होता है.
Yes, sir.
Dot product becomes 0, isn't it? All right. So now D vector dot B vector becomes 0, and he has given D vector dot A vector is equal to 21. All right, this 0, this 0, this 21. I know here D. I don't know D here. Let's one second. Let me write here. Let D vector, will take it as xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. This is what we take. Let's take this. All right. Guys, D vector have here. I have 3 unknown things here and 3 equations. See here, I got D here. I just took it as xi cap, yj cap plus jk cap, and I have A vector, B vector, C vector given in the question. So if I take a dot product of all that stuff, so I get 3 equations, isn't it? I get 3 equations. From that, can't you able to decide the value of? From that, can't you able to decide the value of this one? Isn't it? Isn't it, people? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, that is a method one. That is the method one. In last class, I told you that when a vector is perpendicular to vectors, when a vector is perpendicular to vectors, what it happens? I told you a method. When a vector, बेटा ये vector देखो, ठीक है? This a vector, ये let's say this a vector, this a b vector, ठीक है? Now मेरे पास ये vector क्या है? Now if I just imagine this vector is from this vector, it is like, top of this
point. तो क्या होगा? This will be perpendicular to this as well as this. You got it my point? What I took in the last class. I
Yes,
took,
sir.
yes, I told in the last class. बताइए मुझे. Tell me. Think this is a method one. Just leave this method. You solve this method. By using this method is a homework to you all. This is somewhat lengthy method. I would say this is a lengthy method. So method two, whichever we are going to discuss now, it is a very easy method where you can find out the answer within like 5 to 6 steps. So here you have to solve all the equations, find the xi, x, y, z values, then you decide a d vector, which is a lengthy method, right? So I'm not going to suggest that method. So I would say that if at all they are asking this type of questions in your CBSE or whatever, whichever you are studying, you may go for this method. If at all you're preparing, if at all you are getting this type of questions in a competitive exam like JEE mains, then you can follow the method to whichever we are going to discuss now. What could be my method to now? Think and tell me the answer. Come on. Make it fast. Yeah, look at this. What I told here, D vector is perpendicular to C and what he has given? B, right? Vector C and vector B. Isn't, guys?
Yes, sir.
Now is it correct here? I told you, right, yesterday, whenever a vector is perpendicular to two vectors, this is the way which we need to write. All right. So now n cap, right? So let me take that is a lambda here, lambda times of C cross B. Now what it happens? Now how can we find out cross product here? How can we find out cross product? बताइए मुझे. But I know C and B vectors here. Vector C and B vector I know here. How can I find out? The determinant method, determinant wala. I, J, K. Find out that. Find out that. Tell me the answer in terms of lambda. Done? Hello? See, very easy here. C cross B, right? What is the coefficient of C now? Look at it, C. 1 minus 4 and 5, isn't it? 1 minus 4 and 5. What is the B? Sorry, 3, 1 minus 1 here. So this should be come down. This should be in the third row. Okay. 1 minus 4, 5. No, this is B. What is C? C क्या है? 3, 1 minus 1. 3, 1 minus 1. ठीक है? हाँ. Now look at it. Solve this. Come on. What can I write here? I. So first solving this thing, I need to close the first column and first row, right? So I into 1 into 5, 5 minus 4 into 1. So minus 4 here, minus into minus plus, and you have a minus there. So minus 4, right? Minus j cap into 15. 3 5 15 minus into minus plus. All right, plus k cap. I think who is in waiting list? Who is in waiting room? No one, right? Yes. Yeah. So k cap can be written as what now? Minus 12 minus 1. Is it clear with you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Perfect. Right. So now lambda. Sorry.
I got the equation, sir.
Okay. So what is this now? I cap plus minus 16j cap minus 13k cap.
13k cap.
Yes. So this is what is this now? This is my d vector. Okay. This is my d vector. Now, what is the condition given? What is the condition given here? D dot A is equal to 21 given. So now D dot A vector given 21. Okay. Now D vector is what here? Lambda times of I. For just write fully, expand it. Lambda I cap minus 16 lambda j cap minus 13 lambda k cap dot A. What is the A vector given? What is the A vector given? So 4i plus 5j minus k. 4i plus 5j minus k is equal to 21. All right, is equal to 21. Now, how should I find it out? Now tell me the lambda value. Almost done. Almost done. Find out the lambda value now. Come on. Come on, what is the lambda value? How do you find out dot product? देखो 4 into 1, 4 lambda minus 80 lambda. Isn't it? Huh. Guys, plus 13 lambda is equal to 21. How much you get here? 17 minus 67, 63 minus 63. 63 lambda is equal to 21, isn't it? 4 plus 13, 17, isn't it? 17 minus 80. This is what you get here. Lambda is equal to 21 divided by 63. So 21 ones, 21 threes. Lambda is equal to minus 1 by 3. How many of you got this answer? How many of you got this answer?
Sir, I got.
Very good. So guys, what about Anjali, Disha, Abhinay? Are you guys following the class? Shrikar?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Then try to talk in the class. Try to give the answers. Fine. Basic calculations. If you are not able to solve, then what is the point of, what is the point of solving this? What is the point of giving you the time? Tell me. I'm just expecting an answer from you all. Then one of or two of you are giving the answer. And what about others? I'm expecting an answer from you all, boys and girls. If we found a lambda value, right? He's asking us to find what d vector here. Then how can I find out d vector? Isn't it easy thing? Once you find out d value here, once you find out lambda value, is it a difficult thing to find out d vector now? Just substitute here. That is my d vector. Lambda is what? Minus 1 by 3 I cap minus 16 j cap minus 13 k cap. All right. So d vector is equal to minus I by 3 plus 16 by 3 j cap plus 13 by 3 k cap. This is the final answer. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear. You understood, people? Hello?
Yes, sir.
This is the shortest way. This is a shortcut. Right? Now, if at all you solve by this method, what happens? Here you have three unknowns. This, and this. You understand my point? Clear? For finding that itself, it costs you like more than 10 to 15 steps. I'm sure. Then which method you want to follow? Which method you want to follow for a competitive exam? Of course, the second one. Clear? Okay? Shall I go for the next one? Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next question. Guys, this is also easy question. We have done with the concept. You have to solve this. A vector is given I plus 2j cap plus k cap. B vector given that 2I plus j and C vector given that 3I minus 4j minus 5k. Then find a unit vector perpendicular to both. Now you must tell me the answer within a minute. Both of the vectors and C minus B. Come on, make it fast. Guys, here find the unit vector. Find a unit vector perpendicular to both the vectors, this and this. First, what I have to find out here? First, what I have to find out? Tell me. I don't know A minus B, right? I don't know C minus B. I don't know A minus B and C minus B, right? First, find out A minus B, then C minus B. All right, find out that first. Find out that first. What is A minus B? Come on, tell me what is A minus B. 1 minus 2 minus I
minus I
plus 2, not plus 2, plus J plus,
plus K
ठीक है. What is C minus B? C minus B. So 1I
minus 5J
minus 5J.
minus 5K.
All right. What he has given here, find a unit vector which is perpendicular to both the vectors, this one and this one. Come on. What is the formula for this? What is the condition we need to apply here? Simple formula. What is that? The required unit vector like n cap is equal for any vector. You say I have to find out k vector is equal what? If at all you have to find out, look at this here. Vector A cross B by magnitude of A cross B. That's it, isn't it? Is it that is all the formula here? Then what I have
Yes.
to do? Tell me, find out and tell me the answer. Very simple. This cross this. So what is the formula now? I need to find out what unit vector. So required vector is what? Required vector is
Sir, I got.
very good. What is the answer?
Sir, answer is minus J plus K by root 2.
Minus J plus.
K by root 2.
Perfect. You're right. Very good. So divided by what? Magnitude of ये दोनों का, ठीक है? Magnitude of A cross. Am I right? Yes. So दोनों का क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्या हो जाएगा? What is the cross product of A minus B and B C minus B? How to find out cross product? Starting class. पहले ये find out कीजिए. Find out this. What is the method? I, J, K. What is the answer of this? Minus 1, 1.
Sir, 4 minus 4J plus 4K.
Minus 4J.
4J plus 4K.
Look at this here. Minus 4J plus. Tell me what is minus 4J?
4K.
4K. Very good. So if you solve this, guys, if you solve this determinant, so you get this. All right, guys. I don't think so. There is a children who doesn't know how to expand the determinant. Very simple. Determinant, guys. You might have learned, state board students. I'm sure you might have learned in your class. I mean, like, you know, if I'm not wrong, matrices is in class level only, right? Matrices and determinants for Telangana state board students. People, hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
it
sir.
is in class 11, so you might be aware of that. I'm sure you might have studied that, right? So it's a just now have taught how to expand that. You can follow that. All right. Yes, this is what we get. Now, what is my required vector here? Because it's a required. And what is the magnitude of this? Is my A minus B cross C minus B. So what is the magnitude of this now? What is the magnitude of this now? Square root of 4 square, 16 plus 16, which gives me square root of 32. All right.
Sir, can be written as 4 root 2, right?
Sorry.
Square root of 32 can be written as 4 root 2.
Perfect. Of course, you can write, nothing wrong in that. 4 square, 16, 16 to 32 again. Yes, perfect. So this is my required vector. Is equal to what? What is that? A cross B. What was the answer? Minus 4J plus 4K cap upon magnitude. How much magnitude here? Root 32. Guys, I'm applying just no. I'm just substituting in this formula. Shrikar, are you here, Shrikar? Shrikar, are you able to follow the class? Shrikar ji. Look, yes, minus 4I, sorry, 4J here, right? 4J cap plus 4K cap. If at all I take a minus 4 common or 4 common, if you take 4 common, what it happens? minus 4 common. Anything is correct. Look at this, k cap minus j cap. All right. No, ulta like दिया हमने. If I take minus common, what happens? Or 4 common, you simply take 4 common, not minus 4, 4 common ले लो. What would you get? K cap minus j cap upon that root 32 can be written as 4 root 2, 4 will get cancelled. So k by root 2. This is what your answer. Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear to you all.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Isn't it a easy thing? Are yaar, if you know how to find out cross product of two vectors, and if you know how to find out magnitude of that answer, is it a difficult question? Is it a difficult question to find out? Tell me. Very simple.
No, sir.
Very simple. Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. Just a minute, people. Just a minute. Give me a minute. All right. Yes. Now look at this here. Area of a triangle with adjacent sides determined by vectors is 20. Then the area of the triangle with adjacent sides guys, 1 second. I think question, area of the triangle with adjacent sides determined by the vectors a and b is 20. Then the area of the triangle with adjacent sides adjacent sides 2a plus 3b and a minus b is what? Then the area of the triangle adjacent sides determined by the determined I do just determined by the vectors this one. Option A, everyone. Option A 100, option B 30, option C 24, option D 60. All right. Yes. Solve it fast. Area of the triangle with adjacent sides determined by the vectors A and B is 20. Then the area of the triangle with adjacent sides determined by the vectors this and this is what? Area of the triangle we need to find out. Very simple. What is the area of the triangle? Half A
Sir,
cross B.
100.
Sorry?
100.
Very good. How did you solve it?
Sir, by using same formula, sir.
Okay. What is the vector given here? Half 2A plus 3B cross A minus B. What is the answer of this you got?
Sir, minus 5A cross into B.
Very good. Any doubts here? If you solve this, so you'll get this. What is the next? What is the next step can be taken? Tell me.
So 5 can be taken out
Yes.
from the
Very
model.
good. So 5. If at all I take common here, what I get here? What I get here?
-1.
So 5 by 2. 5 by 2. And what is the vector given here? A cross B how much given? A cross B how much given?
20.
20. So 2 ones, 2 tens. 2 ones, 2 tens. So 20 given, right? 20 given. Here, look at this half as it is. If I take 5 common here, what I get here? This is what I get, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Then what should I write here? What should I write? Tell me. What should be the answer?
Sir, 5 should be taken out from the modulus, right?
Hello? Yes. It becomes what? 5 by 2. Okay. So now what is the answer should be? What is the value should be here?
A vector into B vector by 5.
A vector into B vector by 5. If at all I take a common, isn't it?
Sir.
Then come on. Guys, look at this here. Area of the triangle with adjacent side determined by this and this is 20 given. Then area of the triangle with adjacent side determined by this and this we need to find out.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the answer? Substitute and get the answer. Anjali, did you get the answer? Anjali. Hello. Anjali ji.
Yes, sir, I didn't get the right answer.
What did you get?
Sir, I didn't get the right. I got 60 for some reason.
60 for some reason. What is that?
Sir, I got my mistake though.
What is that?
I didn't calculate properly. Instead of adding, I multiplied.
What about Disha? Disha,
Yes, sir.
what did you get?
Sir, I got the right answer.
You got the? Many of you
The
might,
answer was correct on either thing.
yeah, many of you might be getting stuck here. Many of you might be getting stuck here. Look at this here. Shrikar, what is the answer you got here in the bracket here?
I didn't get right answer, sir.
What you got? How can I do this? Look at this here. Can I write this as 2a plus 3b? Can I do like this? Huh? Tell me.
Yes, sir, you can.
Solve this now. Solve this.
Sir, from this we can get A cross B as 40, right?
Sorry.
A cross B should be 40.
Where?
Sir, just a second, I'm doing it again.
Yes, please. Look at this here. This A cross A minus A cross B plus 3 times of B cross A minus B cross B. Okay. हाँ. Now simplify करो इसको. Guys, however this goes 0 and this goes 0, so just make sure that you're cancelling the 2 times of 0 minus this one. Minus 2 times of A cross B. All right, plus 3 times of B cross A. All right, yes. Now here this can be written as what? Just now I told you, beta. Minus A cross B can be written as B cross A. So this can be written as what now? 2 times of B cross A. Do you agree with my point? So 5 times of B cross A. This is what we got here. How many of you got this? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How many of you got this?
Got it, sir.
What about others? I need an answer from every one of you. See what he has given. He has given this as 20 here. Come on. How many of you got this answer? Then A cross B is equal to what here, beta? अरे यार देखो 40 इतना सा simple you are not able to find out. Srikar ji, A cross B is equal to 40 I got here.
Yes, sir.
Then what is the answer now? What I get here? 5 into how much I got here? 40, 200. 200 by 2. How much? 100. How many have you got this 100 answer? Anjali, you got it? How did you get 60?
Sir, I got it now.
Very good. What about Abhinaya? Abhinaya, what about you? One second, people are here. Yes. Oh, एक minute. Yes. How many of you got this answer, guys?
Got it, sir.
Here half I have here. Continue that same. Half you have same here. Half. So that is how 200 by 2, which gives you what? 100 here. Clear? Guys,
Yes, sir.
behind writing this 5 times of B crossing, you have this much big story. I don't want to solve all that, but many of you didn't solve that. Many of you didn't understand. I had to solve that again. Very simple calculation, right? Clear? How many of you got this answer? People? Everyone, right? Okay, so okay, we'll leave the session now. We'll meet in the next session. Until then, goodbye.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Adesha understood? Left. Thank you. Pravalika understood? Left. Thank you.